Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. I am checking out Home Depot today on this rainy day here in Saskatchewan, Canada. I want to see what they have. And right off the bat, $11.98 for the Dianthus. And these are, doesn't say the zone on them, but they are a perennial, and I would have to look them up to see what zone they are, but they are stunning and they really caught my attention when I first walked in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down the aisles and see what they got, and maybe we'll stumble on something exciting. Looks like they're fully stocked again. There's a lot in here. The Heucheras are all stocked up, and all these plants here are $14.98 for the Heucheras for the larger containers, and then the smaller containers, and this is the dressed up evening gown. These are $9.98, and they have a really nice selection. They do have Lungwort here, proven winners, and it's a spot on. And look at these, aren't they just beautiful? I particularly like this silver variety of Heuchera, and this is the gumdrop silver, $14.98. These are the bigger containers and they're just beautiful. This one here should be, and still be, yeah, and it's on the dark side, beautiful. And then we have Dolce Wild Berry, Veronicas or Speedwells, $19.98. They're all pricey, I might add. Then we are into the Tuscan Sun, Heliopsis. These are $14.98 here. And these are going to be, I'm trying to read this. Good to my is 35. I think there's on 3 to 9. So these are a nice, tall, colorful perennial for middle to back of a border, depending on how your border is. Gaillardias or blanket flowers here. These are 16-inch, $11.98. Oh, and the Yarrow is all in bloom. Look at those two together. Don't they look gorgeous? These are the fall colors here. I just love the combinations. And the Yarrows are $11.98. Then in this aisle, we are going to see Dahlias, and these are $24.98. And they have lots of them. Top row, bottom row, just gorgeous. And before I walk away from this aisle, look at these Dahlias. Look at them all the way down there. Every color you could dream of. I'm going to show you what's over here on the other side. So then I'll have to come back unless I find something. And these have the Heucheras as well. And this is Palace Purple. It's a coral bell. They have lots of them. Lots of ajugas. Your ground covers are all in here. Lots of them. Look down here how beautiful and fresh they are. All the new stock is usually on the bottom. So keep that in mind when you're shopping. If you're going to pay those kind of prices, you might as well shop from the best quality you can and go with the ones underneath that aren't so windblown. Here's quite the sight. And I haven't seen these like this before. But these are all the giant Pacific Delphiniums. And look at these in their containers. They're all windblown, which is sad, but what a riot of color. And these are $19.98. They are the summer splash. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And they do still have some of the shorter pink ones here. These don't get as tall. And these are pink with white eye delphinium. And you can see it's kind of a lavender mauvey pink. Really, really gorgeous. Just working my way to the back here. Look at the purples. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And lots of big containers of hostas as well on the bottom. I don't see a price. Let me see here. $22.98 for the hostas. There's a variety of them. Burpee tomatoes, big containers, $24.98. Lots of vegetables. Over here, look at the Coleus. Isn't that lovely? And these are $14.99. And then they got the Sun Impatiens or New Guinea Impatiens, depending what they call them. There's the price tag. They come in those cool containers. They're very pricey. You're paying for that container and then some. And they have the burpee cucumbers. Over here, tons and tons of peppers. So you can still plant some of these in your garden. We're having a cold summer, so lots of options here. Strawberries, all different kinds. Dill over there. Raspberries. Lots of raspberries, strawberries. The odd Saskatchewan container still up there. I can see the purple containers. And on the cereals rack, the special today is lilies, Asiatic lilies and Gaillardias. And these are $3. And I mean, they've seen better days. But if you go through them carefully, like you don't want to pick something like this, but pick something more, if I dig back here a bit, like this. It looks somewhat decent. The odd branch has busted and broken off, but it doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to put a couple of those in my cart. I can't take too much because Rob got a new lawnmower and it's in the back. Something else they had and I missed out on is they had their coneflowers here on clearance for $3. This poor baby needs a good soaking. It might come back for $3. And Heliopsis and more Gaillardias. Let's see if I can find another 2. I'd like 3. That's not bad. I really like the coloring on them with the Heucheras. They're a gorgeous combination in my opinion. Here we go. Here's another one down here. Looks good. We'll just cut it back and it'll be great in the garden. All right, we're gonna go down the outside aisle here because I did see a lot of plants over here. Plants and shrubs. I am in the market for shrubs this year, so let's see what they got. All right, Bloom Easies. Spiraeas, lots of Spiraeas. Pretty pricey right now. They're considered assorted shrubs in this area. You see Potentillas, Spiraeas. There's the Bloom and Easy hydrangeas are $40. Oops, it's gonna start raining. Okay, we're gonna whip through this side quick. I don't want to be soaked. What else we got in here? These are blueberries, $39.98. We have our grasses here, $28.98. Ooh, what a price. All sorts of different assorted ones. Top and bottom, your blue fescues, more container arrangements with daisies. Those daisies are not hardy in my zone. I think they need to be at least a 5 for them to grow, but they would look beautiful in an annual arrangement. Here we are. We are into coneflowers. See how beautiful that coneflower looks with the Gaillardia? Very nice. All sorts of colors here. These are $29.98 and the Delight is $19.98. Trying to figure out which one's the Delight. Yeah, it's the yellow here. It says right on the container. I'm blind, obviously. Did not see that. Very nice. It reminds me of Tang. Remember Tang? Those have been around a while, you might remember Tang. It kind of reminds me of the color of Tang when my mom used to make it and mix it up. This is a beautiful color coneflower here. This is the Summer Splash. I really like that particular color. I think it's glorious. Here we have English lavenders. Now there is the odd lavender that is hardy for Saskatchewan. These are not it. These are only good to -29. You would have to put them in a very sheltered spot. We have Spanish lavender here. I'm going to grab the tag back here. And I am fond of the Spanish in particular because look at the blooms on it. But it's only good to -18. But over here with this plant, and I'd use it as an annual, it smells wonderful. Let's keep going. Monarda. More Coreopsis here. Aren't they beautiful? They look like small sunflowers. Beard's Tongue. This is the Summit Sweet. That's a really nice color. They're $14.98. I don't know what the bulk pricing means. Oh, if you buy 10 or more, you get it for $13.48 each. And then we got Lilies, more Echinacea here. These are smaller containers, more reasonably priced at $8.98. A variety of colors, a lot of white or pale yellow. More coral bells here. This is Granada or Carnival Rose. Sea Thrift. A lot of people like that. And Carnations. Now we're going to go over to see some more plants here on the other side that I did not see. You can see it's quite full here of plants. So we'll just go down this aisle. I'll try to do both sides at once. This side is all annuals. You can see all the potted hanging baskets. Beautiful Coleus, look at that. On this side is your perennials. They have all the sedums here. More lungwort. This is Pulmonaria, a little bit different. Here's the spot on. Here's Pulmonaria. Sedums. All sorts of sedums. $9.98 for sedums. We're into the phlox, garden phlox. All sorts of colors. Salvias. The bees are hard at it in here in the salvias. On the other side, we're looking at the starlight petunias, dahlias, geraniums. Everything's still pretty much full price. I will warn you. Here's smaller containers, Delphinium for $11.98. Bigger containers of Gaillardias, daisies, Nepta, Kitten Around. That's a really reliable one here on the prairies. My zone. Here's some lupins. Lupins are great. They're very beautiful. Life of a lupin's 3 to 4 years. So heads up on that one. Pansies, violas, more Monarda, impatiens, Campanulas. These are $7.98. They look decent. Some of them. Some have rain damage. Here's Coneflowers. These are probably the next one stand up on the sales rack if you like red. This is the Raspberry Deluxe. And then lots of vegetables in here. Cannas. You've seen the cannas. They're $9.98 for all of them. Lots of colors if you're into cannas. And more dahlias at the end. We're into the containers now. Over here. And these are $29.98. Like I said, everything's pricey right now. All their baskets look stunning. I am loving them. I do need one basket. Let's see if I can find something that I like. These ones I find beautiful with the stripes. I just don't like the price, to be quite honest, at $29.98. That one needs soil. Halfway down the container, I had my hand in and it was missing a lot of soil. That's not always the best. And once again, your spillers, your creeping jennies. Lots of spillers here. Your ivies. $3.78 for the spillers. And there's a variety here. Okay, nothing on sale for fancy containers or anything right now. I mean, it's early. It's June, what, 30th today, I think? Yeah, because tomorrow is Canada Day.
Looks like spring.
Yeah, it does look like spring. It's so dark and dreary. Oh, the plants look like spring.
Oh, you want to bring them all in?
Oh, yeah. Rob's here. He's just chatting to me. All right, we have proven winners here, $13.98. And this is the unplugged red, although it is yellow. Oh, that's funny. Oh, here comes the rain. It's pouring. Glad I'm under cover. Again, more rain. Yay. Think so stoked. Coleus, $11.98. Nice variety. They look really good. Lots of geraniums. On this side, we have the Color Blaze chocolate drops. You can see more proven winners, disposable pots of the different petunias. And these are $6.98. Nope, $6.48. Lots on the bottom too. There's lots of plants, you guys. Like, well stocked. Oh, it's just pouring now. Holy, it's really coming down. I don't know if you can hear it on video. I guess I'll be hanging out in here for a couple more minutes. Here's their baskets. Some look really good. Some are looking a little tired and dated, you'll see. These are the Super Cal petunias, which I really like. But, you know, they're $11.98 for Super Cals. But look at the color combinations that you can get. Like, isn't that splendid? I particularly like the yellows. I think they're sun-kissed. And they look beautiful in the garden. Look at that color. They're great on video. And then these planters. I'll zoom out so you can see these. These are a little bit bigger. You can see the price. And then here's a petunia I was looking for, and it's in their arrangements. I thought this was super duper unique. And that is with salvia. Isn't that pretty? Wow, what a great combo. And that's about it for in here. The rest are houseplants. I'll save that for another day. And you can see all the pots. Those are $59.98. And they're pretty pricey. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And check your Home Depot. I'd say every Monday, Tuesday during the weekdays. And that's when you find the sale plants. Bye, everybody. Hostas are 2 for $15. They have them outside. And all the Canada Day arrangements are outside too. And they're beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're $21.98. And it's pouring. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everyone. I didn't go through that area over there. There's lots over there too. So they're just full of plants.